Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Prime English Academy. This is Shamsur Rahman once again. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to use there is oblique are, there was oblique were, and there will be. So without further ado, let's get into it. প্রস্তুত আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা শিখব কিভাবে there is এবং are ব্যবহার করব। There was এবং where কিভাবে ব্যবহার করে বাক্য প্রিপেয়ার করব and there will be তাহলে আমরা কিছু এক্সাম্পলের মাধ্যমে আমরা শিখে নিই প্রথমে there is দিয়ে আমরা কিছু এক্সাম্পল দিই There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. There is a hospital in Hathazari. There is a hospital in Hathazari. There is a tree in the garden. There is a tree in the garden. There is a chair in the classroom. There is a chair in the classroom. There are কখন ব্যবহার করব আমরা কিছু এক্সাম্পলের মাধ্যমে শিখে নিই There are many chairs in the classroom. There are many chairs in the classroom. There are many teachers in Prime English Academy. There are many teachers in Prime English Academy. There are many books on the table. There are many books on the table. There are 2 students in the classroom. There are 2 students in the classroom. There was the কিছু example. There was a book on the table. টেবিলের উপর একটি বই ছিল. There was a book on the table. There was a chair in the classroom. There was a chair in the classroom. There was a student in the office room. There was a student in the office room. There were এখন were দিয়ে কিছু example দিই There were many chairs in the classroom. There were many chairs in the classroom. There were many students in the classroom. There were many students in the classroom. There were many teachers at Prime English Academy. There were many teachers at Prime English Academy. There will be ভবিষ্যতে কোনো কিছু থাকবে বোঝাতে There will be a chair in the classroom. There will be a chair in the classroom. There will be many students in Prime English Academy. There will be many students in Prime English Academy. There will be many buildings in Hathazari. There will be many buildings in Hathazari. There will be many educational institutions in Chattogram. There will be many educational institutions in Chattogram. Thank you very much for watching this video. May Allah bless all of you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.